Wireless headphones are loved by the masses due to the convenience it offers. Especially gamers always prefer headphones over earphones. So we are compiling a list of some of the best wireless headphones under 5,000 for our viewers who are planning to buy a quality headphone. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is Sony WH-CH510. Sony is a leading brand engaged in manufacturing audio accessories. Sony WH-CH510 is a stylish headphone that ticks every box a user would need. The headphone has a comfortable fit and elegant design that makes it one of the best wireless headphones under 5,000 price segment. This over-the-ear headphone is made up of premium quality material which makes it durable and long-lasting. The polished black lustrous color looks eye-pleasing. The ear cushion of the headphone is made up of memory foam which makes it a comfortable fit. You get control buttons embedded on the edges of the headphone alongside brand name imprint. The sound quality as usual is up to the mark. The headphone is equipped with 30mm driver which is coupled with neodymium magnets that gives you an immersive audio output. The bass of the headphone is top-notch as Sony is known for delivering quality bass audio accessories. The mids and highs of the audio are crisp clear which further gets better with the feature of passive noise cancellation. The audio output is clear and does not cause noise distortion at high volume levels. The headphone comes with a powerful battery that can offer you a usage time of 20 hours which is more than enough. With the above mentioned features, the headphone becomes a top contender for the best wireless headphones under 5,000. Headphones may feel bulky at first, but it is negligible. So the next one in our list is Shure SRH240A. Shure is a highly rated and one of the best wireless headphones under 5,000. The headphone has been designed keeping in mind the comfort of the user. The headphone is durable and can easily resist harsh outdoor conditions. The headphone has an ergonomic design that feels sturdy. The headphone has curved shining headband that can be adjusted. The ear cups of the headphone are fluffy, soft and do not cause skin problems if you use them for long hours. You get a USB charging port on the end of the headband alongside control buttons on the side. Talking about the sound quality of the headphone, it has been equipped with 40mm neodymium sound drivers that offers you optimized high-class performance. The headphone has a wide frequency range that delivers bass-rich sound output. The over-the-ear foamy ear cups ensures passive noise cancellation. The brand is new and maybe not known to everyone, but the performance and sound output this headphone is offering making it one of the best wireless headphones under 5,000. So the second one in our list is JBL T500BT. JBL is known for its signature sound earphones, earbuds and Bluetooth speakers. So we have also included a JBL headphone that is a value for money headphones. This JBL is crafted with a durable plastic material that makes it lightweight. The headband of the headphones is adjustable to make it fit in every head. The impressive part about the design of the headphone is driver casing which enhances the sound output with the help of acoustic chambers. The ear pad cushions of the headphones are made up of soft material which makes it a comfortable fit. The headphone has been fitted with 32mm sound drivers that produce bass-rich output thanks to large driver casing. The headphone also comes with pure bass technology that is a dream come true for audiophiles. The sound is clear at a high volume level while the comfortable cushion ear pads ensures effective passive noise cancellation. Overall, the sound quality is balanced and perfect for every kind of users, whether they want to buy this headphone for gaming or for listening to high quality EDM music. You also get an inbuilt microphone that will assist you in taking calls. The battery of the headphone will last for 11 hours on a single charge that can be charged with the help of a power bank or adapter. Though JBL headphones are usually expensive, but this headphone is super affordable and you can spend your hard-earned money on it. So the next one in our list is Plantronics Backbeat 505. Plantronics 505 is an American brand headphones that offers you great design and immersive sound output. The headphone has quick Bluetooth pairing thanks to premium Bluetooth technology, which is coupled with the best quality microphone. This over-the-ear adjustable headphone is crafted with durable material which feels premium in hand. The control buttons have been provided on both the earpieces. The earpiece of the headphone is well cushioned, which makes it ideal for wearing for long hours. The headphone has been fitted with 40mm sound driver, which is backed by neodymium magnets. The headphone comes with on-ear speakers that offers you thumping sound output. The passive noise cancellation is effective and you will sync into the high fidelity audio. The sound is balanced with a crisp, clear mid and highs. The inbuilt microphone offers you HD quality calling even in the noisy conditions. You can also use the headphone via wired connection. The usage time offered by headphone is impressive. You get 18 hours of usage time when you have once fully charged the headphones. Plantronics is offering you the best features at an affordable price, which makes it one of the best wireless headphones under 5,000. So the last one in our list is Sennheiser HD 4.40. Sennheiser has a great comfortable fit and stylish design. The headphone has innovative design coupled with some latest audio technology. The headphone comes with foldable design which makes it portable. The ear cups of the headphone is made up of soft leather material which offers you exceptional wearing comfort. The USB port has been placed on the bottom part of the earpiece, which is coupled with intuitive control buttons. You get powerful sound drivers embedded in the headphones that offer you high quality dynamic bass sound. The headphones has clean vocals at mid and highs, and you get effective stage separation, passive noise cancellation and noise isolation further enhance audio quality. The headphone offers you long playback time where you can enjoy non-stop music for 25 hours, which is best in this price segment. Sennheiser is a known brand and you can buy this headphone without giving any second thought. The headphones comes with NFC pairing technology and aptX codec compatibility, which gives it an upper hand in this segment of best wireless headphones under 5,000. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you think we have missed any, please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more future updates like this, please do consider liking, subscribing and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.